had been snoring, and I was at the time, or at that point in time, I was a firefighter, and a lot of complaints in the bunk room, keeping guys awake, and I didn't think anything about that. But it wasn't until I started having the, just being exhausted and tired during the day because I wasn't sleeping well. I didn't tolerate it. Felt like somebody stuck a leaf blower in your mouth. In my sleep, I'd pull it off and not even know it. It was wonderful. I started getting my energy back. I wasn't tired and exhausted during the day anymore, and so I was very happy with it. I'm dreaming, which was a big thing for me. I hadn't dreamt for years. It was a wonderful departure from the C-PAP. Not have that air blasting me in the face, and I was sleeping, and it was working. If I'm going to take a nap, I will go and get my appliance. I'll put it in for my nap so I can have a good nap. On the medical side of my life, that's actually been really good and has made a difference. I would recommend it to anybody that's not tolerating the C-PAP. It just makes for a better day every day. Right, there we go. And of course, as we were talking, mine's out quite a bit further than a lot of other people. You tend to take things for granted, something that seems so simple, but can be make a big change in your life. And I put it in at night and go to sleep and wake up in the morning, take it out and clean it and go on, and I don't think about it. But when you actually sit down and take the time to think about something so simple and small, can make that big of a difference in your life, it's kind of hard to believe.